welcome back to my YouTube channel. I never tried this recipe before, so I'm gonna be winging it today, but it's intrigued me. Yogurt bark. I wanna have something I can peck on in the freezer that isn't Haagen-Dazs. I have a really big sweet tooth, and so when I'm at the grocery store, I just always get stuff like this. You know, I would like to have a healthier alternative. I'm trying to have that summer glow up. It's so hard. It's so much easier said than done. I would just like to have healthier options on hand to protect myself from myself, you know? So I'm gonna make this and I will walk you through it, I guess. So I'll go through what I have here and what you'll need. I don't know if I need one or two of these. I think I'm just gonna do two just to be safe. Better that the bark be thicker than thin and sad. I need a mixing bowl. You'll need a baking pan. I was gonna line this with parchment paper, but I only had aluminum, so I think that'll work fine. I pulled it out and it was just like, I only have a sliver for you. And you know, so yeah, that happened. I used 2 yogurts. These are just from Trader Joe's, low-fat Greek yogurt plain. I have some honey. I put some lime juice in this. I have some frozen blueberries. I also have some frozen dragon fruit chunks. And I want a little bit of crunch in mine, so I'm gonna put some slivered almonds on top and some coconut chips. You can use any fruit. You can use any fruit that you want. Honestly, I feel like the combinations are kind of endless for this. It's whatever you like, whatever you prefer. It's up to you. It's your life. It's your choice. You know, just do what makes you happy. All right, you guys, cell phones on silent. The show is about to begin. All right, so first I put in my 2 containers of Greek yogurt, and then I add some lemon juice into the mixture. Then I add 2 tablespoons-ish of honey. I kind of eyed it there, and then I mix it all very, very thoroughly. Just here's an awesome time lapse of that happening. And then I get my baking sheet. I pour my yogurt mixture into there. This part was very satisfying, just to like, yes, oh my God, this was free therapy. It was like having one of those little feng shui beach garden, whatever, those little sand things that you have at your desk. I was doing this for a really long time, but of course I edited it out because I assume you don't want to watch me stroke yogurt for like 10 minutes. So yep, you do that. There you go. Okay, now we're putting on blueberries, which is amazing. Look at that. Time lapse, super speed. So I put my blueberries on, and then I think I add my dragon fruit, and I add everything else, all my toppings, everything that I want to go onto this yogurt bark. And you know, I just let the magic happen, baby. So it's the next day. I'm sorry about my hair. This is what we're getting today. I have taken my yogurt bark out of the freezer, and I'm gonna let it thaw for about like 10 minutes, and I'm gonna have a little photo shoot with it while we wait. Yum, this is it, the next day. Delish, delish, delish. I'm gonna try it now. So I've let this thaw out for about 10 minutes. I'm really excited to dig in. I've been thinking about this all day. So it's not really holding up together like bark. I guess it is kind of like bark. Kind of. I like the concept. And though it's a little messy to eat, I'm into it. This is my dinner. I like it. It was good. So it didn't quite hold up like bark, but it's still really good. Just eat it like you would with like toffee bark or something like that. It tastes kind of like froyo, but I like the concept and it's really good. It's not what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's good. I like it. I would give this yogurt bark an 8 out of 10. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, Excuse me. I hate this part of my life where I'm awkward, which is all the time. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. I need it. I need attention and love and affection. I'm a Leo. Bye.